Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to make image to move on CapCut PC, then this video is for you. First, you have to upload an image on your CapCut PC. So you can add that as an overlay. So for example, this one here. So I've added a person here without the background, so you can add that person from here, and you can also increase the length of the image just like this. So if I want to move that person from this section to here just like this, then we have to use the keyframe, and keyframe is one of the most useful and pro feature on the CapCut PC. So you can make a creative thing with the keyframe from here. So here you can see at the right side you can find scale and the position, and your right side you can find this diamond shape option here. This is also actually the keyframe that you can add. For example, at the very beginning I'm going to add a keyframe from here. For example, for the transformation, so it will select all of them, scale also the position from here. So I'm going with the transformation, so you can see it has selected to all of this. Now it has just, I'm going to set that, I'm going to decrease the size and set him here at the out of the screen. Now I'm going to make him to this duration to screen. So I'm going to add another keyframe from here and keep him in the screen just like this at the mid. Here it is. Now I'm going to increase the size. So it's very big actually. So I'm going to make it actual size or the 90% here just like this, and make it to I'm going to place him to the mid. So just like this I have just added. Now if I show you from the very beginning, if you want to get the results, it will just look like this. Let me show you. So you can see it is just increasing and also moving from the left to the very bottom, very middle side of your video. So that's how you can make an image move on CapCut PC. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.